Where are you coming? Okay, come. Why are you standing there?
Simply.
Why are you waiting here? Okay, come, I'll buy. Get out. Where is the gadi? Here. Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to Ishada Take. Now the time is already 12:30 and it's 7th February. So I have started my work by 11 something. I was researching about my startup guys. So now I have to go out to bring water and let's go guys. Today I have like nothing else guys. I don't know what I have to do today. I'll only do my works today. So let's do it guys. I can't bring content every day guys, but I'm trying my best to bring content every day. So let's see what I'll do now. There is no planning to do anything. So let's see guys what I'll do today. Why are you standing there?
Simply.
Where are you coming? Okay, come. Come. Let's go now. Let's bring the water. Go open the door.
Okay.
Now see guys, again I'll prank him. Why did you close the gate? Why did you close the gate? And where are you coming? Come here. Why are you coming?
I just said.
So you'll come. Get out. Okay, come, I'll take. No, I'll take, come. I'll seriously take Nian. If you go, I'll hit you now. Come, I'll take you. Okay, come. I'll take. No, I won't scold. Come. Come, I'll buy chocolates. Close the gate. If I do again, he'll cry guys now. So let's take him. See how he's sitting backside of me.
You only said it.
So we got the water, so let's go back to home. We'll go back to home.
Yeah.
Or do you want anything? You don't want anything.
You only said this, Mama.
Even if you want, I will not buy anything. I'm not buying anything guys. Why are you waiting here? Why are you waiting here?
Okay.
Okay, come, I'll buy. His mom said that I should not buy chocolate at him, so let's go and buy egg puff. Guys, I bought him the Jim Jam because there was no egg puff prepared. So let's buy him it later, guys. So how do you feel, Nihan, after getting Jim Jam?
Great. Yummy.
Great. For Jim Jam only is feeling great at him, guys. So carry that bottle to second floor.
Okay.
Huh? Carry. Annie! I'm going to pick my friend from the bus stop because he went to college and is coming. So he was going to walk, so I thought I'll pick him. So let's go and pick him, guys. See, I walked. You are still thinking that I'm not walking.
Kept the vehicle somewhere, I know.
Guys, for him, I walked from my place and he's
He
still
won't
thinking
walk,
that
he kept somewhere
I
his
came
vehicle.
from bike.
Yeah,
What
wait.
an idiot you are. That is
Ah.
spare key, bro. I thought.
Shut him.
See, that is spare key. I thought my mama kept his bike in the parking, so I took the key. But there was no bike only, guys.
You're teaching me.
Yeah. So I walked, guys, till here. He's not believing only. Yeah.
Where is the gadi? Here.
Oh. Hey, how did my mama's bike come here, bro? How did it came?
I knew you won't walk.
Yeah, I bet this is not my mama's. Hey, how did it start? Hey guys, let's go back to home. Don't chase them, bro. They already went like this.
They just now passed and how we are telling they you saw them,
Yeah.
you saw them, I'm thinking.
Eat. Okay guys, now Shishant is having the egg puff and I'll go back to home and I'll come guys. so he can pay the money. I'll go to home and I'll come back. 5 minutes, bro. I'll come. Why can't you be here? 5 minutes, guys. I'll go home and I'll come. Shall I go? No. I don't want. Then you'll say pay 25 rupees. We have come to have momos and we are having it. So let's have it. We had momos and we are going back. And then for now I have to end this vlog, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.